Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best chipping hammer is probably one of the most indispensable tools for anyone working with concrete or masonry. Whether you're a seasoned construction worker or a DIY enthusiast, having the right chipping hammer can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Milwaukee Chipping Hammer, exploring its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect tool for your next project. Number 5. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V Cordless Rotary Hammer. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rotary Hammer. This is a powerful tool designed for tough jobs. It's built to last and deliver exceptional performance. This cordless rotary hammer features an SDS+D handle design. This design provides excellent control and comfort during use. It makes the job easier and more efficient. The tool utilizes a brushless motor for increased efficiency and longer life. This technology allows it to work harder and last longer. You'll get more done with less effort. It has a 1-inch capacity, making it suitable for a variety of applications. Whether you're drilling or chipping, it can handle the task. This makes it a versatile addition to any toolbox. The tool is compact and durable, with dimensions of 17.63 x 3.85 x 6.61. It's built to withstand the rigors of the job site. This ensures it will be a reliable tool for years to come. What we like. This cordless hammer offers ultimate freedom. Its brushless motor ensures efficiency and longevity. If you're working on site where power outlets are limited or need maximum mobility, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Compact and small enough to use with one hand if need be. Primarily bought for work to use the hammer chisel function. Did not disappoint. Plenty of power to get the job done. I purchased this after the company issued an old 20+ lb corded Bosch to drill holes for concrete anchors. That was like carrying around a boat anchor, where the Milwaukee is slightly heavier than an impact. I do use this with either a 8 or 9 amp battery, but it rips through concrete with ease. I drilled through some Tell City, brick and mortar, which the mortar is harder than the brick. This thing went through it like butter. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1-to-1/8 SDS Plus Rotary Hammer. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rotary Hammer. It's a powerful tool designed for tough jobs. It's built to make your work easier and more efficient. This rotary hammer is incredibly user-friendly. It's designed to be easy to handle, allowing you to work comfortably for extended periods. You'll appreciate its balance and control. Built to last, this tool is highly durable. It can withstand the rigors of the job site, ensuring it remains a reliable part of your toolkit for years to come. It's a solid investment. This tool operates on an 18.0-volt system, providing the power you need. This voltage ensures it delivers consistent performance, even under heavy loads. It's ready for any challenge. Part of the M18 Fuel series, this tool benefits from advanced technology. This means it offers superior performance and efficiency. It's a top-tier choice for professionals. What we like. This hammer is designed for ease of use and built to last. It's highly durable, making it ideal for tough job sites. If you value reliability and ease of operation, you should consider this one. What people say. Surprisingly quiet and ergonomically perfect. This Milwaukee SDS Plus drill has superb performance. It is quiet and powerful, while seeming to be long-lasting. It works better than the corded Makita it replaced. Love the freedom of no cord too. I almost exclusively use this to chisel tile off of floors, and it works great for repair jobs. Number 3. Milwaukee 5317-21 Rotary Hmr 1-to-916 SDS Kit. This is the Milwaukee 5317-21 Rotary Hammer Kit. It's designed for tough jobs and built to last. You'll find it easy to use and handle. The product is designed with the user in mind. It's simple to operate, making your work more efficient. Its design allows for comfortable use over extended periods. This makes the job easier to complete. This product is built to withstand the rigors of any job site. You can rely on it for consistent performance. The SDS Kit provides everything you need to get started. It's a complete solution for your drilling and hammering needs. What we like. This kit is designed for ease of use and built to last. If you are looking for a reliable tool that can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use, this is a great option. What people say. Unit was in excellent condition with a very sturdy case. This is a very good hammer drill for a reasonable price. So far used to remove a fireplace hearth glue to the concrete and was a beast, couldn't be happier with the power. Will be digging some holes in my hard clay if it ever stops raining to do some planting. Number 2. Milwaukee 5426 to 21 1 to 3 4-inch SDS-Max Rotary Hammer. This tool is designed for ease of use. It makes your work easier and more efficient. Built to last, this product is made with durable materials. You can rely on it for tough jobs. This product is manufactured in the Czech Republic. It represents quality craftsmanship. The heavy-duty crank piston mechanism delivers hard-hitting performance. It provides the power you need for demanding tasks. It delivers fast drilling, even in the toughest concrete. This feature ensures efficiency and speed on the job. The low speed reduces speed and beats per minute for light materials. This allows for greater control and versatility. It maintains drilling speed and power when under load. This ensures consistent performance throughout your work. What we like. This hammer delivers hard-hitting performance with its heavy-duty mechanism. It drills fast, even in the toughest concrete. If you need to tackle demanding projects with speed and efficiency, this is the one for you. What people say. Burnt through 2 equivalent maquetas, holding up solid so far. Demoed slab on grade and approximate 400 square feet of ceramic tile. I drilled a hole through frozen ground and rock, and I needed only to lean my weight into the drill to make the hole. Great machine for taking down brick and light concrete slabs. Haven't used the rotary part yet, but I am sure it would beat my old Hilti and Makita. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2717-22 HD 1 to 9 16 inches. Rotary Hammer Kit. This is the Milwaukee 2717-22 HD, a powerful SDS-Max rotary hammer. It's designed for demanding applications, providing exceptional performance and durability. This kit includes everything you need to get the job done. Featuring M18 fuel technology, this hammer delivers unmatched power and runtime. It utilizes a PowerState brushless motor, red lithium battery pack, and RedLink Plus intelligence hardware and software. This ensures optimal performance and protection. The included high-demand 9.0 Ah battery provides extended runtime. You can work longer without needing to change batteries. This is ideal for large projects or continuous use. The SDS-Max chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes. It's compatible with a wide range of SDS-Max bits. This feature increases efficiency on the job. With a 1 to 9 16-inch capacity, this rotary hammer is suitable for various applications. It's perfect for drilling and chiseling in concrete and other tough materials. It's a versatile tool for any job site. The Milwaukee 2717-22 HD is a top-of-the-line rotary hammer. It combines power, performance, and durability. It's a reliable tool that will help you get the job done right. What we like. This SDS-Max rotary hammer is built for high demand. The 9.0 Ah kit provides extended runtime. If you need a powerful and long-lasting tool for professional applications, you should consider this. What people say. Works great, only problem it doesn't have reverse. My drill bit is stuck in the concrete, now what? Geez. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.